Hello, students. Good evening. Yes. Why one of the student here standing with me? Can anyone guess? Yes. She got she got All India rank 45, and I'm very happy because as a CSET faculty, I felt very neglected because I'm in this profession of teaching from last 12 years. Many of my students got selected, so they never came to me after selection, and I never expected also. My intention is like you have to get selected, but she like after prelims also, she after prelims result also she came to me, sir, I cleared that prelims, and my mother has given regards to you. And today only, like we have not checked because we were busy in finalizing our previous year questions book. We have not checked from our like here database, but she herself come. I asked the staff like I'm finalizing my book. Don't ask any student to meet, but she told I have to meet, sir. So then she has given me this good news that she got rank all India rank 45. And like I asked Ramya to tell you something about like here what she has done in CSET. And for you, this is like one of the good lesson. ध्यान से सुनना, जो 2 साल से या 3 साल से CSET में struggle किया है, for you this is like going to be very good message for you. Ramya, you can take this also for online students.
Uh, Hello, everyone. So I have been a student of SIR from 2021 or like so, and this was not the first classroom. It used to be in the basement. So since then, I have been associated with the CSAT classes. To begin with my journey, I started my UPSC prelims preparation from 2017. 17 and 18 somehow there was no seriousness about the CSAT. I had cleared CSAT with 90 marks and 70 marks. Only then when I got serious with the UPSC preparation in 2019 when I attempted, then I realized that my GS was okay. I had scored almost 19 marks above the cutoff, but CSAT miserably I had failed. Again, the same story repeats. 2020, I failed CSAT. 2021, I took a break. 2022, again the same story. I have failed in CSAT. So this continuous, consistently, I have a record of failing in CSAT 3 times. So CSAT had become a big obstacle in my whole journey. And in 2023 attempt, like after failing the 2022 CSAT, I decided that I have to get serious with that. So all like I think that the credit of clearing this UPSC with double-digit rank under 50 should go to CSAT because my GS was like fine. We never know with the divine intervention or with due credits to Sir. Today, with the help of CSAT, I can say with conviction that I'm here in front of you today. So there is not much difference between you people sitting there and I'm standing here because I have also sat in all those seats, given the test, and attended the SIRS class. It used to be last year, the exam was around May 26th. I used to come in the afternoons, Sunday afternoons at 2 o'clock in the hot sun, give the test and analyze it and go. So I hope everyone who is facing the CSAT issue, there is still hope left. Please be serious about the CSAT because it can make a career or break a career. So thank you very much.
But I add one more thing. She has taken coaching. That year she couldn't qualify. ठीक है? तो देखो, I'm that type of person. I'm that type of person. I always say we never give guarantee. ठीक है? हम गारंटी नहीं लेते. Yes, we do hard work. You have to do your hard work. Second year, when she has given all the tests with the improvement, she has qualified. तो लकीली यू गॉट 20 days एक्स्ट्रा जो हमने उड़ा भी दिए. See, classes ke beyond you have to do hard work. I always say coaching is 20%, 80% is your own hard work. We have time, you have to give all the tests, you have to work on your weak area, you have to make strategy. But if you are not able to make your own strategy, you have to discuss with me. Everyone will have different strategy. Even like one of the student in the same classroom, he told me like one girl, what she has done, she has analyzed PYQ of reading comprehension and she got 90% accuracy in reading comprehension, and she targeted only 15 questions from mathematics reasoning area where she could have got 90% accuracy and she qualified the prelims. Unfortunately, not qualify mains this time, but I feel like with that strategy, she will able to qualify in near future. So it's not about targeting 80 क्वेश्चन, दैट इज द आइडिया. आपको बस अपने 40, 45, 50 क्वेश्चंस टारगेट रखने हैं फ्रॉम विच एरिया दैट यू हैव टू डिसाइड, इंग्लिश, मैथ और बोथ कॉम्बिनेशन. दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. So don't target all 80 question. That is the message again and again for you. Okay. And today, like we have one result. So see here, UPSC is wonderful journey. ठीक है. तो कभी भी मतलब आपकी पिंकी लाइफ स्टार्ट हो सकती है. And that is, I will say, to this type of candidate, when they write mains and in that attempt only they get selected and proper IAS. इसको तो मैं मोक्ष प्राप्ति कहता हूँ. एंड दैट इज गुड रैंक. मतलब अगर रैंक पीछे आए 80-90 आए देन यू कैन थिंक कि थोड़ा कैडर का इश्यू रहेगा. 45 इज रियली ए गुड रैंक. अंडर 50 पहले ही मेंस, पहले ही इंटरव्यू में वैसी रैंक आना. And there are many people I can see, they meet me like, sir, I have not qualified CSAT, my answer writing I have done means I will qualify. कुछ तो हवा में भी बोल देते हैं कि CSAT की वजह से रुक रहा है, मेंस और इंटरव्यू तो मैं फोड़ दूंगा. But there are genuine student I have seen like here, because of CSAT they are missing the exam, but their answer writing they have done their test series, they can easily qualify their mains because their answer writing is really good. So CSAT, maybe it is not a hurdle. With your hard work you can easily qualify CSAT, but don't think only the classes is going to help you out. You have to take advantage of the test series, you have to take advantage of this theme based lecture. I'm happy you are attending this theme based lecture. कुछ लोग तो आए, पैसे पे गए, चले गए. हमारा भी तो जिम वाला सिस्टम है, उनके भरोसे हम प्रॉफिट कमा रहे हैं. आते हैं, पैसे देते हैं, एक हफ्ते बाद गायब हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. But here I always tell कि theme based lecture, test series, everything is very very important, so you have to utilize it. So once again I'm very thankful to Ramya, like here without getting a call from the institute, she herself struggle like here to came here. अभी भी गर्मी कम नहीं है. So thank you Ramya. Any other question anyone want to ask quickly? हाँ जी, जीएस के लिए. Are you like okay, or like you want to like summarize the things to discuss with these people ki like strategy, how you can help these people today?
Yes, I want to go in detail with my GS strategy because it has been 6 to 7 years of this struggle, and it is not that it happened overnight in 2023. It's been accumulated knowledge throughout the years. So I think we can have a entire session dedicated to this, and please focus on sir's class with respect to strategy. First thing, you have to have this psychological stability when you see the CSAT paper. That is what sir used to stress. The first 3 attempts, I used to panic. All the questions I used to panic, but I followed how the sir strategy on how to attempt the paper. That you have to build, that doesn't come on the D-Day. There is a misconception that whatever happens on the D-Day will be the deciding factor. You have to start practicing that calmness throughout your test series practice itself from today only. Only then you will be able to finish the paper in 2 hours. So, sir, maybe we can dedicate a
So like,
session.
they want to ask about what's your option.
Anthropology.
Okay, so like what we can do, So within a week we can have a session about GS or optional anthropology. तो she can like note down the point. अभी तो नया नया रिजल्ट आया यार. तो मतलब अभी तो लाइक आई आई डोंट थिंक सी इज इन द स्टेज टू डिस्कस कि भैया जीएस में ये करना चाहिए. ठीक है. तो विद इन ए वीक वी कैन अरेंज वन सेशन. ओके. तो आई विल टेक टाइम फ्रॉम हर वेन एवर शी विल बी फ्री. Within a week we will decide. Okay, so we can have a session for GS. What we can do, like if you people have any question prior to that session, so we can hand over that question in a better way. ऐसा नहीं, but I don't want कि जैसे हर जगह वो होता है कि like here this is, we can have a better strategy. ठीक है. एक अच्छा एक strategy session हो सकता है. Even I can discuss with her, I can give my insight, although I have limited insight about GS and optional. तो but still I want कि अगर हम 2 घंटे invest भी कर रहे हैं, it is not like a simple topper talks. It has to be a fruitful topper talks. So what we can do, if you have any query, so what you do, kindly post your query on your respective Telegram. तो हम उसको क्या करेंगे, छांट के अच्छे से, लाइक वी कैन हैव इन ए स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे जिसका करंट अफेयर से रिलेटेड है. तो वी कैन हैव ए प्लान कि करंट अफेयर पे वी कैन गिव दैट क्वेश्चन टू रम्या प्री हैंड कि ये पॉइंट्स है. सो हाउ वी कैन विद प्रेजेंटेशन और विदाउट प्रेजेंटेशन इन ए बेटर वे वी कैन हैव ए स्ट्रेटजी सेशन. आई थिंक दैट विल बी मोर फ्रूटफुल. ठीक है. विदाउट, रादर देन हैविंग ए सिंपल टॉपर टॉक्स, लेट्स हैव ए बेटर स्ट्रेटजी. देखो अब तो कोई कंपटीशन है नहीं रम्या के साथ हमारा. ठीक है ना. एंड शी इज रियली हेल्पफुल ऑल्सो. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर पीछे की रैंक भी आती होती शी वुड हैव हेल्प यू अप. तो अभी तो लाइक व्हाट वी विल डू, आई रिक्वेस्ट रम्या कि शी हैज टू हेल्प यू आउट सो दैट many of you, I wish all of you get selected. So here, so I request Ramya, you have to guide this younger people, ठीक है, older also, ठीक है, to get selected. So they will be very good junior to you, ठीक है, sincere. So we have to help. Rather than having a simple topper talks, we can have a better plan so that we can help these people with a better strategy. So we can have a big session also. But my request to all of you online students also, if you have any question, kindly share that question on your Telegram group. So our team, me, Seku sir and other people, we will put your question in a structured way. We will have a structured strategy session. मतलब मुझे लग रहा है कि आई लर्न वन थिंग फ्रॉम वाजीराम. माई लाइक 1 minute मीन्स यूर 200 इंटू मतलब 200 + 100 300 मिनट है. तो वी डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट योर टाइम. ठीक है. आपका अगर 2 घंटा भी ले रहे हैं तो वी वांट कि वो आपके लिए फ्रूटफुल रहे. तो लेट अस डू इन ए स्ट्रेटजी बेटर वे. ओके. थैंक यू रम्या. थैंक यू वेरी मच. जस्ट गिव मी 1 minute.